myself Misbahuddin. Welcome to the YouTube channel Extra Classes. Today I am here in front of you with a very essential, relevant and pertinent video about the CTET examination. My dear friends, most of you have completed your professional qualification. You have also completed your graduation, either BSc, BA or BCom. Now you are going very much interested to get a job in any government institution. So you know very well that for the purpose of getting job in a government institution, you have to qualify your TET examination. It is the prime requisite to get employment in any school, primary school. In this video, I would like to share some of my experience about the CTET examination, because I have certain experience, whatever I have gathered, because I actually appeared in CTET examination in 3 times, in consecutive 3 times, and in all the 3 times I have cleared in CTET examination with very good marks. Earlier in that CTET examination in 2019 December, I got more than 75% in both the papers. So in this video, I would like to just share certain experience. Actually, some of my friends, they asked me many a times that how we have to pass the CTET examination. I know that there are certain diseases, there are certain problems, certain misconception, and only because of this misconception people fail in CTET examination. So today I just want to clarify all the concepts, all the misconceptions related to the CTET examination. So what are these misconceptions? If anyone can erase or delete all this misconception, he can pass the CTET examination. I can give him 100% guarantee and warranty if he erase or delete all this misconception. Now there may be question, what are these misconceptions? My dear friends, the first misconception is that people think that CTET is a very tough examination. To pass the CTET examination, huge knowledge is required. But so far as my experience, I think that CTET is actually very easy examination. It is more easier than ATET examination or any other TET examination which we generally face. Now there may be question, how CTET is easier than ATET or any other state level TET. I can give you the proof that it is much more easier than other TET. The first proof is that in case of CTET examination, most of the questions are asked from pedagogy, psychology or teaching related activities. So if anyone have good comment about pedagogy or teaching methods, he or she can easily crack CTET examination, even state level TET examination. Other thing I would like to express that CTET is easy because actually in CTET examination most of the questions are asked from exprehension type, and most of the questions are there in question itself. So if anyone thoroughly and carefully read out the questions, he can give original answer to the question. He can give. So I would like to say that in case of CTET examination there are also 2 subjects, that is English and English. No need to have take any extra preparation like state level TET. In case of state level TET you have to take extra preparation, but in case of CTET no need to have take extra preparation for Bengali and English. So in that case also CTET is very easy than Assam TET examination. So this myth actually destroy the hope and the motivation of the aspirant candidate to pass the CTET examination. Now another misconception which are prevalent also related to the CTET. What is this misconception? People generally think that after completion of the CTET examination, what we will do, where we will apply, and where will be the posts. So I would like to clarify all these things. Actually, if you clear the CTET examination, you can apply central school, Kendriya Vidyalayas, Navodaya schools, and you have also some bonus which you cannot get in state level TET. What is this bonus? The bonus is that you can apply for your state level primary schools. Whenever there will be any advertisement, you can apply with your CTET, even if you don't have the state level TET. You know very well that actually recently 9,000 posts were advertised for LP as well and UP. So in that 9,000 posts, the merit list have already been prepared, you know very well. In that merit list I am also selected, and I actually I can proudly say that most of the candidates who are selected in the merit list, they are from CTET background. So if you can clear CTET examination, be selected as a government employee in primary school. Another thing is that actually some of us have already qualified Assam TET examination but with very poor marks. But I would like to say something in front of you. Just passing or clearing the CTET examination will not serve the purpose. You have to get good marks. So if you clear your state level TET examination, I would like give you suggestion that if you want to be selected as a candidate, then you should improve your mark by appearing in CTET examination. So now, so this is also another misconception. Another misconception which are also prevalent about the CTET is that people think that the medium of instruction, the medium of study in CTET is English. But I would like to say that it may be in English, but it is in very easy English. No need to have command over English, no need to have very bombastic words in English. If you have simple English, you can also appear in CTET examination, and if you practice, if you keep yourself in practice. In my experience, so far as my experience it is concerned, I have gone through so many people who don't have enough knowledge in English, even if they clear CTET with very good marks. Some of us have already appeared in CTET examination, but although they are very good students but did not clear. So the probable reason is that actually these people think in that way, so that's why they cannot pass. So if you know the strategies, the practice, the ways, the system, the method, the procedure, the tactics, the modus operandi of how to prepare for CTET examination, you can easily pass the CTET examination. And if you don't have the process, the strategies of making yourself prepared for CTET, even if you study throughout the day, you cannot pass the CTET examination. So now I would like to just upload certain videos regarding the CTET examination in a regular interval, and I would like to share all the experiences and all the strategies of all the subjects. Actually, for the purpose of giving videos, or for the purpose of giving sharing the experience, for each and every subject needs separate videos how to prepare, the ways through which we can prepare. So I would regularly upload videos about CTET examination, how to prepare. I cannot make you prepared, I cannot make you pass in the CTET examination. I can just give you the suggestion, the ways which I have gathered through my experience. So actually today I don't like to extend the video because actually I am tired, and on the next video I will upload video about child development and pedagogy, how to prepare child development and pedagogy. I can say proudly that child development and pedagogy, if you properly prepare yourself, you can pass, you can get good marks, even you can get more than 25 marks out of 30 marks easily if you study 3 or 4 days. So I will regularly give you the suggestion how to prepare yourself. I don't like to say anything extra, just say that you have to subscribe our channel and give us the scope to show you the path how to prepare in for CTET. So thank you very much.